All right. Today we have the present box top version 2. If you remember, we had the present box top. We put a penny in the top. Now, instead of putting the penny in the top, we're going to fold it different and make these little star points. This is the prototype. Hopefully ours will come out better. And as I was saying, that little extra piece goes under. It wasn't done on this one, so we're going to try to make it better than this. And here we go. All right. So what you do, besides putting the penny in there, is, and you don't fold these corners back either. So get your little penny out, or just fold a new box according to present box top. And then before you put the penny in, switch over to this video. So now we're going to update this one. And what you do, it's pretty tedious. Well, we've got to fold these back into the little rabbit ear folds, or, well, I don't know what they're all called. Guess I should look those things up and learn them. So but if you already know how to do these good, you can just go ahead and fold yours. So you want to lay them down just like that. Now you can do those little pre-creases, but it's pretty small in here. So just having a little pair of tweezers or way to grab them, you can just do them freehand. Just try to make nice little points out here. And then if you folded your box top real precisionally, these points will really line up a lot better. And this one, oops, it's missing a little piece. So got to work on the design a little bit more maybe. That one's got that little part missing. All right, one more. Now, if you've been watching the videos, you know I have that little silver block I use for creasing models. But you can also use a dice. And so that's what we're going to do on this one. There we go. We've got all 4 points there. Now you can put the dice on the inside. And then you can really press down and shoot. It's out of focus. Jeez, I hope I'm not out of focus very long. Now you can really crease down on these inside folds. I'm going to make a video showing another way you can really flatten models that need to be flattened, or even flatten this even better. And you don't need a book, but you do need some other things. So there's your top so far. But now we got to fold back these points all the way to that crease right in there. Or we're tucking the point all the way in underneath. And you got to get it really all the way under there if you want to have these come to a point right here. So then you can fold that back. I didn't really get this one all the way. Now they don't come to a perfect point because it'll pull the new little point under. But just try to get them as even on all four as you can. See, there's plenty of room under there. All right. That looks pretty good. If you want to add weight to the box, you can actually slip a dime under here if you want. Right under there. It's kind of neat. A little extra ornament in there. So there's your present box top. Version 2. 8-pointed star, sort of. It's kind of like the little trinket deal. I'm going to show you how to make the double-sided. And see how the points can really line up if you take a little more time making your box top. But I do have to use up some of the prototypes and practice models. So hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.